Buongiorno a tutti, partecipanti a questa demo di questa mattina e penso di passare direttamente all'inglese perché hanno portato da we welcome all the visitors to today's demo and we are here to introduce our new development. During this look of 2024, Expert is celebrating its 20 years anniversary in production of many printing machines, flexible printing machines. And this occasion, we want to present our latest development, which is a zero-waste system. It is a real game changer. Why? Because you probably can reduce enormously waste we have no waste between one job and another, we reduce the ink consumption and certainly a lot of time when you change job from one to another. The system doesn't need use of any special dedicated camera. We have only a camera to see the outlet of the web and to see the print on the main monitor. We don't use any other solutions like microchips or anything else. It's a question of high precision mechanic. All the parts in the machine very carefully work. And the other part is electronic, who helps us to have this zero waste. Now, zero waste has been patented, as also our new drying system, which is the top, let's say the top dryer, which is the common dryer. Now, I stop talking, I leave the word to Luigi. You can start, please.
Thank you, Renato. Thank you very much. Welcome everyone. We are going to show you our zero waste system, which is covering many aspects of flexo production. The first one, as Renato was introducing, is starting production without any waste. And we don't want to waste your time, so Michele, would you like to load the first job? So we show our guests the first aspect. The loading of the sleeves is traditional, extremely simple. This is what you have normally seen many times in your own production. The reduction in startup time is due to the automatic and instantaneous setting of pressures and register. So after Michele has loaded sleeves, we will set the first job. You will see that the few data are requested to set the job. Press one set button and the flexo press will be working. Spot on register, spot on pressure.
While Michele is loading the first job, I would like to point out our drying system shortly. We have a drying length with flowing of 8 meters in the tunnel, plus we have another 3 meters time of the wet in the tunnel. That means we have 11 meter drying.
Exactly. 11 meters drying time. But before talking about the oven, let's see the setting. We are actually inputting just the tape thickness 0.55, in this case the plate thickness, which is 1.14, the diameter of the sleeve 139,859, and the thickness of the web, in this case it is a 110 micron. The print repeat calculated precisely by the machine is a 499.999. It means it has been calculated by the thousandth of millimeter. And now, Davide, let's go ahead, let's close the X, press just a single set button, the zero base button. The calibration has started, it will last 4 seconds. The machine will calibrate, it has already calibrated, so we have executed the setting. We are closing decks, you see the green decks are closing, and we would like to look inside the machine. A video camera has been placed on the top of the CI drum, exactly here it is, where the paper takes off from the CI drum. We will see the image go through, and here it is. Now it's complete. We know that at this stage we are at pressure, at register, but to be sure about that, we are going to check it through the PSD video camera, the 100% receipts first, and we are looking for the register marks. There they are. You can see them here. Spot on register, spot on pressure. Let's go at speed, Davide, please. Let's try to raise it a bit, just to say that the stability of the system does not need any correction at speed. Not manual, not automatic. Therefore, we don't have those automatic pressure raise that needs a certain speed. We don't need that. If we did, we would alter the pressure of the image.
Luigi?
Yep.
How much noise on the machine? I cannot hear it.
I can't hear the machine running. Yeah.
It's inside.
I will ask Daniel, would you like to stop for a moment? And Michele, why not exchange 2 sleeves in between them? Thank you very much. We're going to make a small trick. We exchange 2 sleeves in between swap position, and let's see how the system reacts to this. Of course, we will get a wrong image because 2 sleeves will receive the wrong ink, but we'll see how the zero waste system will react to that. And while we swap the sleeves, Renato was introducing an 11-meter oven, of which 8 meters are air impingement and 3 meters dwell at temperature. This means that in normal jobs, you may reduce the heating of the main tunnel, even switch off the heating, and the air blown on the surface will dry the whole system, the whole printing.
And we have also an energy reduction of energy consumption of up to 40%.
This is right. The unwinded brakes are motors, which are the most accurate system to brake, but at the same time they work as dynamos. They create energy which is put in the bus of the machine and used at other levels. So all the motorization of the machine will use the energy that we produce. Oh, thank you, Michele. Which sleeve did you exchange? Okay, thank you. Well, we exchanged cyan and magenta, so we'll see another image. Probably the red will become greenish. We just need to press the set button. There we are. We'll be moving the web soon. This is the web moving inside the machine at the CI drum level. The first job is throwing off, the next job is throwing in. We have simulated a change of production, but you see the new image is altered, but it is spot on pressure and register. So let's look at the web camera. With the traditional web camera, we are looking at the image, and it is pressure and register, spot on. You may not believe it, So we invite any one of you to collect one of your jobs, come to Verona, and when we return home with the machine, we will show you on the machine, on your job, the exactness of this system. But at this stage, why not? Let's stop again. I would like to change a new job to a different pitch, if you don't mind.
Meanwhile, I will point out our safety systems on the winders, on rewind, especially on the rewinder. You have all these covers going into position when you have to change these so-called safety cover. You open the door, you can work on that finish wheel. You see, the covers are closed for both knives. One for printing on one side. If you want to cut from above or from, you know, you have. Once again. Both knives are covered by these safety devices.
Yeah, safety is a must. Safety is a must. We have full protection at the rewinder, as Renato was showing. So no one can access any rotating reel while changing and preparing the rewinder for the next. The zero waste concept has been extended also to the inking system. So for those spot colors that you need to create in a certain quantity, we have a balance system and a predictory system that will tell the operator how much spot color needs to be prepared. So he will prepare an exact quantity, not to produce in excess, not to produce in scarcity, with a system that will use down to the last drop of ink, even though it is going through viscometer and through automatic washing system. So it's the most convenient use for spot colors inks. Now, thank you, Michele. We loaded another 4-color job. We have a different print page. The machine has calculated exactly 500 print repeats. Calibration has started. Calibration has been executed. So we will close decks and we will move production again. And I ask you to look at the video camera inside the machine, because this is the most clear, and it shows that the moment we move the web, we will throw off the previous job, which is this one. The next one is coming in, and it's a different image, different web page, no white space in between two productions. We are nearly digital. We are absolutely spot on in pressure and register. Again, you are invited to bring your own productions to us, and we will test with your plates, so that you verify that pressure is perfect. We are going to see it in the video camera. Register is spot on as well.
We are showing our town, Verona, in Italy, where we expect you to visit us as soon as you have time to come to Italy. Okay?
We lost our voice.
Yeah, sorry for my voice, but after 10 days exhibition, honestly, it's a bit
speed. So now we're going to speed. See again the nice image of our town. Here or not hear the noise of the machine because it's extremely silent. Thank you very much for your attention. I would like to give thanks to our technical guys, to our printers, to our electronics team, and the management. Thank you so much. See you again at 3 o'clock this afternoon.